Good morning children. Next we are going to see the next method in the same exercise. Before that we want listen, consider Ax equal to b in n unknowns. N unknowns means there are n equations. In our 12th standard we are going to see up to 3 equations. Listen, testing of consistency. Suppose row of AB is the augmented matrix combining A and B. Okay, row of AB equal to row of A means it is consistent, and row of AB equal to row of A and it is equal to n, and the solution have unique solution. The solutions are unique. Suppose row of AB equal to row of A and less than n means the number of unknowns is n, our rank is less than n. Suppose the number of unknowns is 3, our rank is 2. Then the equations have infinitely many solutions. The last one, row of AB not equal to row of A, that means inconsistent. If it is not equal, then it is called inconsistent and have no solution. Next we are going to see the fifth sum in 1.1. Listen, show that the following equations have unique solution: x plus y plus z equal to 3 and equal to 4 and equal to 6, like that, by the rank method. Rank method means we have to use the echelon form. Okay, first for this we have to write the given equation in the matrix form. First write the given equation as it is: x plus y plus z equal to 3, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 4, x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 6. This is our given equations. Next we have to form these 3 equations in the matrix form. How to write? First write all the coefficients. Coefficient of x in the first equation is 1, 1, 1. The second coefficient of x is 1 and y is 2 and z is 3. The third one 1, 4, 9. And next you have to write the column matrix with variables x, y, z, and equal to write the equal the answer column 3, 4, 6. So we denote this matrix as A and this as X, and which is equal to this as B. Okay, we assume the first coefficient matrix as A and variable matrix as X, and the answer matrix is as B. Okay. Now we get Ax equal to B. First consider the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is combining of A, B. So we write like this. Inside the bracket we have to write A comma B, which is equal to combining these two. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9 and 3, 4, 6. Now we are getting 3 by 4 matrix. Next we have to transform this matrix to echelon form. How to transform this? We already seen. Listen, first check the first element is 1 or not. It is 1. So it is very easy to do the sum. Next we have to change the next row first element to be 0. Okay, how to change this? R2 gives out R2 minus R1. Okay, here also 1. So if you subtract, we get 0. So in the second row, the only assumption is R2 minus R1. The third row, the assumption is R3 minus R1. Here also 1, so we have to subtract, we get 0. Listen, first write R2 elements. 1 minus R1. Subtract 1, we get 0. Similarly, second element in R2 is 2. Subtract 1 from that, we get 1. And take the third element 3, subtract from this as 1, we get 2. And take 4 and subtract 3 from this, we get 1. Okay, after doing this, you have to do the third row. Okay, in this third row, listen, 1 minus, we have to subtract R1 from R3. So, okay, 1 minus 1, we get 0, 4 minus 1, we get 3, 9 minus 1, we get 8, and 6 minus 3, we get 3. Okay, now we have to change R2 and R3 as the elements of this. Is equal to 1 1 1 3, 0 1 2 1. Our second row becomes with these elements, and also the third row becomes with these elements, 0 3 8 3. Okay, next we have to make this 3 as 0. Okay, how to make this? If it is, listen, we are changing R3 as R3 gives R3 minus 3 into R2. R3 minus 3 into R2. Because here 1 is there. If you multiply 1 by 3, we get 3. And then subtract, we get 0. So, R3 elements are what? 0 minus 3 into 0 equal to 0. And then 3 minus 3 into 1, we get 3 minus 3, 0. Next 8 minus 3 into 2, we get 8 minus 6, 2. And then last one, 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 3 into 1. So, 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, understood this? Next, using these elements, we have to rewrite this third row. Third row as is equal to, we have to use tilde symbol. Here also we have to use tilde symbol, which is equal to what? The first and second row there is no changes, so we have to write as it is, 0 1 2 1. Third only change. Listen, 0 0 2, 0 becomes 0 0 2. Okay, next we are going to consider first 3 columns only. First 3 columns denote the a matrix A, isn't it? So, consider first 3. First 3, there are 3 non-zero rows, isn't it? Here also non-zero elements, so 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, there are 3 non-zero rows in A. Therefore, row of A is 3. Okay, consider 4 columns. All the 4 columns, in all the 3 rows are non-zero. And there are 3 non-zero rows in the augmented matrix AB. There are 3 non-zero rows in AB also. So, our rank of the augmented matrix AB also 3. So, row of A comma B and row of A, these two are equal. If these two are equal means this is consistent and it is equal to 3. 3 is the number of unknowns. What are the number of unknowns? X, Y, Z. Number of unknowns ku equal irundhudu appadina, it has unique solution. Okay, it is equal to n, then it has unique solution. Okay, therefore, row of AB equal to row of A, and which is equal to 3 and it is equal to n. N means number of unknowns. So, the equations are consistent and has unique solution. Okay. Next, we have to find the solution of the given equations. How to find this? Next, we have to find the solution. Okay, listen the matrix, augmented matrix A comma B. Consider this. We have to listen. We have to multiply first element by x, second element by y, third element by z equal to write the fourth column element. From Architas equation number 1, from 1 we have to form the equations. First element by x, 1 into x plus 1 into y plus 1 into z equal to 3. The next equation becomes 0 into x, 0, so leave it, and 1 into y is y plus 2 into z is equal to 1. The last one is x and y, columns are 0, so we can leave it, and 2z equal to 0 only. So mark it as equation number 2, 3, 4. Okay, from 4 z equal to what? 0. 4 implies z value becomes 0. Using this z value, we have to find y from 3. So substituting z equal to 0 in third equation, we get y into 0. Y plus 0 equal to 1. So y equal to 1 we get. Using these two, we get x value from second equation. So substituting y is equal to 1 and z equal to 0 in second equation, we get x plus y is 1 and z is 0 equal to 3. So x equal to 3 minus 1, we get what? X equal to 2. So solution is what? Solution is, therefore solution is x equal to 2, y equal to 1 and z equal to 0. This is unique. Understood this? Let us see fourth sum. See how to form the given equation into matrix. Listen. In the first equation, we get the coefficients are 5, 3, 7 and the answer is 4. The second one 3, 26, 2 and 9. From the third 7, 2, 10, 5. Matrix form is first write the coefficient matrix and then write the variable matrix equal to write the answer column 4, 9 and 5. Okay. The next step only you have to write augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is combine these two. This is our A and this is our X equal to B. Combine these two, we get the augmented matrix equal to 5, 3, 7, 3, 26, 2, 7, 2, 10 and 4, 9, 5. This is our augmented matrix. Now we are going to transform this into echelon form. How to transform? First you check the first element is 1 or not. This is 5. So in the first step, R1 gives R1 divided by 5. We have to divide R1 by 5. So only we get first element becomes 1. So this is equal to what? A comma B is not exactly equal to, so only we have use tilde symbol. So 5 by 5 is 1 and 3 by 5. Next one 7 by 5, last one 4 by 5. The second and third write as it is 3, 26, 2, 9, 7, 2, 10, 5. So you have to write second and third row as it is. Next we are going to make these three elements to 0. Okay, how to make to 0? First R2. R2 let's changes. So R2 gives out R2 minus 3 times R1. R2 minus 3 times R1. The same procedure we have done in the last sum. R2 gives out R2 minus 3 R1. Okay. First write all the R2 elements. So first one is 3. Minus 3 into R1 is what? 1. Next 26. Minus 3 into 3 by 5. Next one 2. Minus 3 into 7 by 5. The last one 9 minus 3 into 4 by 5. After some calculation we get this is 0 and this is 121 divided by 5 and this is minus 11 by 5 and this is 33 by 5. Okay. The next one R3. R3 gives R3 minus 7 times R1. R3 minus 7 times R1. First write R3 element 7 minus 7 into 1 and then 2 minus 7 into 3 by 5. 10 minus 7 into 7 by 5 and 5 minus 7 into 4 by 5. After the calculation we get first element is 0, the second one is minus 11. Okay. Next after the calculation we get first one is 0 and second one is minus 11 by 5 and the third one is 1 by 5 and this is minus 3 by 5 we get. We have to rewrite R2 and R3 with the given elements, which is tilde. Tilde, the first one is 1, 3 by 5, 7 by 5, 4 by 5. And second row is this 0, 121 by 5 minus 11 by 5, 33 by 5. Third row becomes 0, minus 11 by 5, 1 by 5 and minus 3 by 5. Okay, the next step we have to multiply all the 3 rows by 5. So R1 gives R1 into 5, R2 gives R2 into 5, R3 gives R3 into 5. So our augmented becomes AB becomes, listen, if you multiply first row by 5 what we get? First 1 into 5 5, next 3 7 4, next row 0 121 minus 11 33 and the last one 0 minus 11 1 and minus 3. Okay, in the next step listen the second row. All the elements are multiples of 11 only. So a small change in R2. R2 becomes R2 divided by 11. So we get, so put tilde symbol. So we get 5, 3, 7, 4, 0. After dividing 11, we get 11 and here minus 1 and here 3. The third row as it is. So consider these two rows. Here 11 minus 1 3, here minus 11 1 minus 3, only the sign difference. So we have to add these two. That means R3 becomes R3 plus R2. We get, there is no change in first two rows. So, you have to write as it is minus 1 3. In the third row only change. First add these two, 0 plus 0 0, minus 11 plus 11 0, 1 minus 1 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So, the augmented matrix becomes this. So, all the elements in third row is 0. Okay. So, it is in echelon form. So, it is in echelon form. Okay. Next, consider the first three columns. Consider first three columns. This is our A matrix. In this first three columns, there are two non-zero rows, isn't it? In A, there are two non-zero rows. So, our rank of A is 2. Similarly, in AB, consider all the four columns. Here also there are two non-zero rows. Here also there are two non-zero rows. These two only non-zero rows. So, our rank of the augmented matrix is also equal to 2. But these two are equal. Row of AB equal to row of A and which is equal to 2. But this is less than 3. This is less than our number of variables. 3 variables are given, but our rank is 2. So, in this case, the equations are consistent and having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. And in this case, we get only two equations in x, y, z. So, this is not enough to find 3 variables. So, we have to consider, in the special case, we have to consider z as k, where k is some real number. This is our first equation. From first, we have to form two equations. What is that? 5x plus 3y. First multiply 5 by x plus 3 by y plus 7 by z. We get 4. The second one is x is 0. So, 11y minus z equal to 3. And third one is our assumption z equal to k. Okay, mark this 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. Using this z value, we get the value of y from the third equation. So, we have to put z equal to k in third equation. 11y minus, instead of z you have to put k equal to 3. So, 11y is equal to 3 plus k and y is equal to 3 plus k divided by 11. This is our y value. Next, using these two, z equal to k and y equal to this, we get the value of x from the second equation. So, substituting z equal to k and y is equal to 3 plus k divided by 11 in second equation, get 5x plus 3 into, instead of y, we have to write 3 plus k divided by 11 and 7 instead we have to put k equal to 4. So, 5x, listen carefully, 5x plus multiply this inside we get 9 plus 9k divided by 11 plus 7k equal to 4. Take these two terms to right hand side, we get 5x equal to 4 minus 7k minus 9 plus 9k divided by 11. After some calculation, we get x equal to 5 by 11 into 7 minus 16k. 5 by 11 into 7 minus 16k. So, strike these two 5's, we get x equal to 1 by 11 into 7 minus 16k. This is our x value. So, our solution is these three values. If you put k is equal to some other values, we get many solutions. Okay. Then only we said this system having infinitely many solutions. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you, and do the homework and send by 5 p.m. without fail. Okay.